has the nerve to touch my fucking nose? I mean, how the does he know that? Okay, maybe I do know. I see you have returned. Honestly, why are you here? Oh yeah, because I pretty much told you to. Seriously, I kinda didn't want you to come back. In case you were not aware, you fucking touched my nose. I hate that shit, but apparently every cunt seems to find it cute. But guess what? It's not cute! But seriously, how did you know that was my one weakness? Okay, maybe I do know, but I'm trying to avoid reality at this point. I'm trying to just go along with this. But you're not going to answer me, are you? No. Because this is f***ing Half-Life 3. Look, everyone, it's Gordon Freeman. Oh, listen to his voice lines. Oh, he sounds so good, doesn't he? He doesn't say a f***ing word. Oh, fuck, listen to me. You know what? Just don't come back tomorrow. No, even better, I will see to it that you do not leave here tonight. I will kill you. No booping tonight. I'm coming, mate.
I'm coming to get ya!
Whoa! Scared ya.
Stop! You violated the law. Pay the court a fine or serve your sentence. You violated the law. Pay the court a fine or serve your sentence.
Whoa! Scared ya.
Stop! You violated the law. Pay the court a fine or serve your sentence. Stop! You violated the law.